Welcome. If you want to block ads on the websites in your Vivo Y11S, at the first you have to move for the Play Store, tap on Search Pool and type Opera Mini. Click Install. Tap Open. Click Continue and then accept all of the permissions. Right now, click on this icon in the right corner and check if ad blocking is turned on. So right now we can enter the website, for example this one. And as you can see here, we get the notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. And when we click right here one more time, you can see that currently this AdBlock just hide 40 or even 50 ads. So when you scroll down the page, you cannot find here any popping ads, and that's really cool. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.